Number 1. 1993 Ford F-350. Price $9,850. The truck comes equipped with the reliable 7.3 LIDI non-turbo diesel engine, paired with a 5-speed manual transmission in a 2WD setup. This truck has been well cared for and recently received extensive upgrades. It features 6 brand new tires worth $2,500, 2 new batteries, an aluminum radiator, fresh glow plugs, wires, and relay, along with a new fuel pump, filter, and housing. The rear drums and brakes have been replaced, as well as the crank sensor. Comfort and convenience were also addressed with new window seals, a modern stereo with kicker speakers, LED running and bumper lights, and a CB radio. Additional new parts include the idler pulley and power steering bracket. Number 2. 1991 GMC 2500. Price $10,000. This pickup comes with a clean title and has spent most of its life in California, making it completely rust-free. Showing 225,000 miles on the odometer, it is powered by the strong 454 big block engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck is finished in white with a gray interior and runs on gasoline. It features power windows and power locks for added convenience, along with a Bluetooth radio, LED headlights, and 5% tint on the sides and rear. A 2-inch level gives it a balanced stance, and the truck recently received new plugs, wires, and ball joints at the end of July. While the air conditioning does not currently work, the truck remains a solid, reliable example of a classic heavy-duty GMC. Number 3. 1996 Chevrolet 1500. Price $5,750. It has 194,000 miles on it and remains in excellent condition thanks to careful ownership from new. Powered by the dependable 5.7-liter V8 paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission, it offers strong performance with no leaks and smooth shifting. The truck features a solid 6-foot bed with an R bed cap that includes flip-up windows on the driver's side, while the heavy-duty frame, transmission cooler, and towing package with electric brake controller provide up to 7,500 pounds of towing capability. Finished in a rich burgundy exterior with a gray interior, the truck has been garage-kept its entire life, used only by a non-smoker, and comes with full service records since new. The interior remains in near-new condition, offering every available option from the factory except leather seating. Comfort is ensured with cold AC, while upgrades such as late-model GM6 lug chrome wheels, LED tail lights, a K&N air filter, and Flowmaster dual exhaust add both style and performance. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds. Number 4. 1996 Ford F-150. Price $4,000. It has 203,000 miles on it and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in white with a gray interior, it runs on gasoline and is powered by the strong 5.8L V8 engine. The truck has recently received a brand new power steering pump, and it is fitted with power windows, a power seat, and power mirrors for added convenience. It features 4x4 capability with locking hubs and low range, all of which are fully functional. The truck also comes with a 6.5-foot bed, a 3-inch lift, and 33x12 tires that give it a commanding stance on the road. Trailer brakes are installed and working properly, making it ready for towing. The fuel gauge is in good working order, and the tank has just been filled. Number 5. 1997 Chevrolet 1500. Price $3,000. Powered by a dependable 4.3L engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in white with a contrasting red interior, the truck is a 2-wheel drive model and is being sold with a clean Kentucky title in hand. The truck runs and drives well, with a quiet and smooth engine, and the transmission shifts just as it should. While there is a small rust spot on the rear passenger side fender well, the rest of the body is rust-free. It has been stored indoors for the past 4 years, though spray paint can be found in some areas. Mechanically, several important components have been addressed in the last 20,000 miles, including the alternator, water pump, fuel pump, ball joints, and tie rods. The AC system has a newer compressor, though it currently has a slow leak. Number 6. 1978 Chevrolet C10. Price $10,000. Clean and straight example of Chevy's classic late 70s pickup design. Showing 60,000 miles, it comes finished in an eye-catching burnt orange exterior with a matching interior that still presents well overall, with only the seat in need of being redone. Power comes from a newer 350 V8 motor paired with an automatic transmission, delivering reliable performance and the kind of effortless cruising these trucks are known for. The front brakes have also been replaced recently, adding to its road-ready condition. Running on gasoline, this truck starts easily, drives smoothly, and offers plenty of charm both as a weekend cruiser or a solid foundation for further restoration. Number 7. 1997 Chevrolet 1500. Price $5,600. Shows 182,000 miles and is paired with an automatic transmission. The truck is finished in a classic red exterior with a clean gray interior, giving it a timeless look. It is equipped with the desirable heavy-duty suspension package, which includes a rare 14-bolt 6-lug rear axle and forged lower control arms, making it both rugged and dependable for work or daily driving. Power comes from the reliable 4.3L engine that runs smoothly and has proven to be dependable over the years. The current owner has had the truck for 10 years, during which time it has been well cared for and never involved in an accident. It rides on good tires, further adding to its road readiness. Number 8. 2000 Ford F350. Price $6,000. Finished in bright red with a gray interior, powered by a strong V10 gasoline engine. It features a 5-speed manual transmission that has been completely rebuilt and has less than 500 miles of use since the work was done, with paperwork available to confirm the rebuild. The truck has also received a number of important new components, including a slave cylinder, clutch, throwout bearing, pressure plate, slip yoke on the driveshaft, and a new heater coil, all of which contribute to smooth driving and long-term dependability. In addition to its mechanical updates, this F350 comes equipped with a gooseneck ball, making it ideal for hauling and heavy-duty work. The cab offers a durable and straightforward gray interior, built to match the toughness of the truck itself. While the air conditioning system is in place, it will need a Freon recharge to be fully operational. Number 9. 1972 International 1110. Price $6,500. Equipped with a strong 345 engine, with the heads recently redone for smooth performance. It features a rebuilt carburetor along with a new starter and alternator, making it reliable and ready to drive. The truck rides on 2WD with 215/70 or 15 tires and has been upgraded with an entirely new braking system, including disc brakes, hoses, lines, and a master cylinder. A brand new plastic fuel tank has also been installed for added dependability. From the factory, this model was ordered with air conditioning, and the original visors are included as well. Mechanically, it runs well and presents nicely overall, making it a solid classic that combines vintage character with important updates already taken care of. Number 10. 1993 Chevrolet 1500. Price $5,500. The truck is finished in a classic black exterior with a gray interior and runs on gasoline. Under the hood, it is powered by the reliable 5.7L 350 V8, known for its durability and consistent performance. Mechanically, the truck is in good running condition and has been kept up with recent maintenance. It features ice-cold air conditioning for added comfort and has received a set of 4 brand new tires, new rear-wheel cylinders, and new brake shoes, ensuring it is ready for the road. Cosmetically, it does require some attention, as one cab corner needs replacement.